We've come a long way in the field of weaponry, from beating each other over the head with rocks to modern drone strikes that fire missiles armed with swords. Military hardware and future weaponry appear to be taking inspiration from science fiction, providing a terrifyingly accurate and dangerous picture of the future of warfare. Ready to get amazed? Here are cool weapons that you haven't seen before. Number 13. Angstadt Arms MDP-9 Roller Delayed AR-9. Armed with innovative weapon platforms, Angstadt Arms caters to military, law enforcement, and responsible citizens. At just 14 inches long and 3.7 pounds, the MDP-9 has a patented roller-delayed action that significantly reduces weight and recoil, making it one of the softest shooting subguns on the market. This subgun uses Glock 9mm double-stack magazines, has an extended mag release, and holds 2 rounds. All these features make magazine changes much faster than with conventional subguns. Number 12. Precision Guided Firearm. One of the most unique shooting systems you'll see is the Precision Guided Firearm (PGF), developed by Tracking Point. A key component of Tracking Point firearms is technology. It enables the average shooter to hit targets that are beyond the abilities of the world's best marksmen. The exact system was designed to solve multiple problems faced by long-range shooters. It ensures repeatable performance and accuracy regardless of the distance. With the use of target tracking, heads-up displays, and advanced fire control, precision-guided firearms increase accuracy of shooting at targets at extended ranges. PGF technology, inspired by missile lock-on and fighter jet technology, mitigates multiple marksman errors, including misaim, trigger jerks, and miscalculation of shot setups. To an extreme range of 1100 meters or more, PGFs can significantly increase first shot success probability. Number 11. Loyal Wingman Drone. As crewed aircraft costs rise, it is intended to add types of autonomous aircraft such as UCAVs to Air Force fleets, not only to increase numbers and create mass, but to be able to sustain aircraft losses that manned platforms cannot. According to the drone industry, loyal wingmen are expected to greatly change conventional manned air combat by creating a new niche. As a new type of autonomous UAV formation system, the FH-97A Loyal Wingman drone uses this cutting-edge combat concept. From the drone's developers, the drone can form a dense formation and coordinate with manned combat aircraft, performing air superiority operations, air defense suppression, and air escort missions. Not only will it solve the problem of limited service scale and aging aircraft, but also unmanned cooperative combat can be built. Number 10. CMMG Descent Submachine Gun. Descent is the name of CMMG's new line of PDW guns. Descent utilizes CMMG's new compact action, which eliminates the need for buffers and coil springs in stocks by containing the reciprocating action parts within the upper receiver. Known as Descent, it is the world's smallest submachine gun. It weighs about 4.4 pounds and stands 14.7 inches without the stock. It has a patented compact action bolt mechanism. The name suggests that it was significantly reduced in size. In addition to 223 Remington, 300 Black, and 5.7 by 28mm calibers, more options are expected in the future. There are 2 magazines, and the gun has a capacity of 30 or 32 rounds. Number 9. Cobra Pocket Pal. Around the 1980s, the Cobra Pocket Pal was an American double-barrel, double-action, only multi-caliber pocket revolver designed and manufactured by the Cobra Company. As the Pocket Pal is only a double-action weapon, its trigger is very long and heavy. It has a large crescent-shaped trigger. In addition, the weapon has no safety mechanism, only an audible click indicates that it is ready to fire when the trigger is pulled all the way. And best of all, it's as accurate as you'd expect. Clearly intended for pocket carry, there's no worry about it losing its battery or if you hit something on accident. Number 8. IWI Tavor TS12. In 2020, the IWI Tavor TS12 was the best-selling semi-automatic shotgun on gunbroker.com out of all Israeli semi-automatic shotguns. Shells for the TS12 are loaded into 3 magazine tubes, each of which holds 5 shells, allowing for a total of 15 plus 1 shells. The magazines are rotated using a button on the pistol grip. There are Picatinny rails on both sides of the TS12 which are equipped with receptacles. Number 7. Serbu Sniper Rifle. With its rugged, lightweight, accurate, easy takedown and low price, the RN50 is the only rifle you'll ever need. In addition to being strong, the screw-on breech cap provides symmetrical support to the cartridge case, ensuring incredible accuracy. This RN50 offers top-quality materials and parts from proven BFG-50 rifle, while providing a safe, proven gun with a 17-plus year history. If you want to shoot .50 BMG at a very low price or outshoot your friend's expensive match rifle, the RN50 is the way to go. Number 6. SIG Sauer MG338 Machine Gun. With its more powerful .338 Norma Magnum cartridge, the MG338 has a more effective range than the M240, with effective ranges nearly as great as those of the .50 BMG Browning M2. Additionally, it is lighter than both of them. Gas-powered, the machine gun has a quick barrel change and gas regulator that allows the operator to switch between suppressor and normal use settings. MG338s are almost always fitted with proprietary suppressors, as do SIG Sauer MCX Spears. They can also be converted for 7.62mm NATO ammunition. Several machine guns were acquired by US Special Operations Command (UUSOCOM) for evaluation in 2020, and the Marine Corps is also interested in the design as an alternative to the M240. Number 5. Hypersonic Glide Vehicle. Ballistic Missile Hypersonic Glide Vehicles, HGVs, are warheads capable of maneuvering and gliding at hypersonic speed. They are used as a means of modifying the trajectory of ballistic missiles after launch. Conventional ballistic missiles follow a predictable ballistic trajectory and can be intercepted by ABMs. They are currently in the midst of an arms race. As well as being able to maneuver and operate at lower altitudes, HGVs pose significant challenges to conventional missile defense because of their maneuverability and speed. As the advantage swings back to attack, the defense industry is eager to see weapons of this type reignite the Cold War arms race. Number 4. Corner Shot. The Corner Shot Weapon System, CSWS, is a weapon accessory invented by Lieutenant Colonel Amos Golan of the Israeli Defense Forces in cooperation with American investors. Security forces can use corner shot to engage targets from the left, right, front, up or down, and move to each of these shooting positions quickly and without removing hands from the weapon. From behind cover, the weapon system can be triggered completely, shortening response time and improving accuracy. Also included are day and night cameras, invisible lasers, aiming devices, tactical flashlights, color LCD monitors and power sources. Number 3. Seiko TRG M10 Sniper Rifle. Introducing Seiko's TRG M10 Sniper Weapon System in October 2011. This weapon system is a user-configurable, multi-caliber modular system that is not shared with other TRG weapons. Several calibers are available for the TRG M10 bolt-action sniper rifle, which can be operated manually, shoulder-fired, or magazine-fed. With its high-capacity magazine and fully adjustable stock, it's a multifunctional weapon that can be used in a wide variety of situations. Due to its versatility, the TRG M10 can easily be turned from a precise long-range rifle into a compact weapon. Number 2. Taser XREP. With an extended range of 100 feet, XREP is a 12-gauge wireless projectile that can be armed with any kind of pump-action shotgun. The gun fires a slug which penetrates the suspect's skin and causes sudden muscle paralysis. Thus, it is better than a taser and uses the same mechanism as a shotgun. With a normal taser, the current is arced to the body, while this device uses barbed electrodes to penetrate the skin. It uses less than 500 volts. The engineer behind the device, Mark Hanchett, says that the voltage is not as important as the waveform produced through it to stun a person. Number 1. Standard Manufacturing DP12. A one-of-a-kind shotgun that was manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility by Standard Manufacturing Company. This is truly a one-of-a-kind product. This double-barrel repeater shotgun has an innovative design and guaranteed functionality well ahead of its time. Extreme detail has been a priority from conception to production. A 12-gauge double-barreled shotgun with pump that fires 16 rounds quickly and is the first of its kind, for the most discerning shooters who require extreme firepower and reliability. It is designed to shoot a destructive pattern at 25 yards with true choke thread patterns. Door breaches are sold separately. With accessory rails and slots, you can customize the DP12 to fit your needs. Ergonomically balanced for easy handling and minimal recoil, it is easy to handle when loaded. Which of these cool weapons blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.